G'day kids, thanks for tuning in to another Aussie episode. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that way you won't miss out on any of the new videos we put out, and it would certainly make my day. In the meantime, enjoy this video.
Aussie, 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 oi! Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day Aussie. G'day
Perfect. G'day kids, Aussie here. Today we're going to do some yard work. Now who loves getting outside and helping in the yard? I bet you do. Following along behind Nan or Pop or Mum and Dad or any of the grown-ups really with your very own garden tools. Now we're going to focus on some grown-up garden tools. We've got some lawn mowers, we've got a hedger, we've got a line trimmer or a whippersnipper, or as some people call it, a weed eater, and we've also got a blower or a leaf blower. Kids, it's going to be so much fun, and today we're going to get started with some lawn mowing. Let's get stuck in. Okay kids, that is the electric or the battery powered mower. It does a pretty sweet job, but let's have a crack at the petrol one. There you go kids. I think this grass is looking pretty good. What do you think? But I think we need to do something else. These edges need to be done, don't they? Let's go and get that whippersnipper and do those edges. Come on. And now we can start cutting. That's hot and sweaty work. Good thing I got my sweatband. So we've done the lawns, we've done those edges. They're looking nice and neat, but we've made an almighty mess, haven't we? There's grass clippings and there's leaves everywhere. Now what are we going to use to clean up these leaves? A leaf blower. So let's go and grab that and get all this cleaned up. Come on. There you go, kids. That's the leaf blower. Things are looking pretty clean around here. And leaf blowing is one of my favorite things to do. It was always my favorite when I was a kid because it's really easy to do and you can't really get it wrong. It's very, very safe. So if you want to try one of these things at home with your grown-up, leaf blower is the way to go. And you know the best thing about it? It means you're almost finished. Now there is one more piece of equipment that I had over there, and that was, do you remember? It was a hedge trimmer, wasn't it? There's a mighty big hedge over there and needs a lot of trimming. So come on, come and help me with the hedge trimming. Let's go. There you go, kids. I reckon this hedge is looking pretty good. And I reckon this whole yard is looking pretty amazing. Thanks so much for your help. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, when you're helping out in the yard with grown-ups, maybe start with just your toys or even the blower. That's a really good one to start when you're a little kid. Kids, I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learnt lots, and I hope that you've had lots of fun in the yard just like I have. We'll see you on our next video, and until then, stay keen. I've got some leaves to rake up. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Aussie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Aussie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Aussie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Aussie, 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 oi! Aussie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of